In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use delay nodes to prevent participants from progressing through the experiment for a set duration. The delay node is perfect for longitudinal or multi-part studies in Gorilla. In this example, we want participants to complete a learning exercise and then return the next day for a testing exercise. The first step is to add the activities you would like participants to complete before the delay. Then, at the point in the experiment participants should stop at the delay node. In the heading and message settings, type information that you would like participants to see when they reach the delay node. For the purposes of testing the experiment, set a short delay in the settings. In this case, 1 minute is suitable for testing. Depending on how you are recruiting participants, you may need to use the Send Reminder settings. By toggling on Send Reminder, a reminder email will be automatically sent to participants when the delay expires. By toggling on the Reminder Form setting, participants will be required to enter an email address for the email to be sent. This is a crucial step for recruitment policies that do not directly use participant email addresses, such as Simple Link. Returning to the experiment tree, we now need to add any activities that participants should complete after the delay. In this case, this is the test task. We can then test the entire experiment's flow, including the delay, by previewing the experiment. Now we have reached the delay node, participants enter their email address and can close the browser window and wait for the email reminder to rejoin. I've just re-entered the experiment via the link sent to my email and can continue with the experiment from where I left off. If you're happy with the setup, the final step is to increase the delay to the actual delay needed for the experiment. In this case, I update the delay from 1 minute to 1 day and commit the experiment. Now I've launched the experiment and some participants have started, you can see their progress through the experiment tree. If a participant has not returned after the delay node, you can resend the delay email reminder by clicking Actions and Resend Email to re-invite participants to continue with the experiment.